Raj, we hear that Samco is launching a new fund offer, which is Samco Small Cap Fund, which is India's first momentum-based small cap fund. But one of the pertinent questions which is in the minds of the investors and partners like us, is it the right time to allocate to small cap? How do you think about this?
See, whenever you think about momentum as a style, you should actually start investing when the style is underperforming. Now, if you see the last 365 days and maybe beyond that, momentum as a style has suffered. So, when the broader index is actually corrected by 5 to 6% in the last 365 days, momentum as a category has underperformed maybe by another 10 to 15%, meaning they have corrected by 15 to 20% when the broader index has corrected by only 5%. And I explained you that this is going to be a 2x factor. If you are going to go long term for momentum style, always buy the underperformance, because when the market turns its cycle and when the market starts going up or trending up, momentum will be the one which will be again giving you that alpha in the trending market. So always buy momentum when it is underperforming. And small cap as a category has also corrected by 5 to 6% in the past 1 year, and particularly small cap momentum index has also corrected by 15%. So these are the numbers which makes it a very compelling proposition at this point of time to look at small cap momentum as a style and as a strategy. But again, in the near term there can be volatility. You might see some more underperformance in the near term. But if you ask me that if you have a 5-year view, then after the 2020 rally, which has actually gone up substantially from 2020 to 2024, that entire cycle never gave us an opportunity to get into the small cap momentum cycle, because it only kept trending higher and higher. So after that point of time, this is our first actual right opportunity to get into that style of investing into this segment after the 2020 rally. And God willing, and we all, if we have the same view that Nifty will go from 25,000 to 50,000 in the next 5 to 7 or 8 years maybe, at that point of time when the entire market is going to create so much of wealth, I think momentum style, be it large cap, be it mid cap, be it small cap, will be your best alpha generating factor. So yes, in the near term you might see some volatility, you might get some more better entry opportunities, but I think this is the right time if you have a 4 to 5 year view on the small cap segment.
No, that's very well summarized. So I have to be very clear that when I am giving it to my client, the number one thing should be the expectation setting that he should have at least a 5-year horizon.
Yes.
And why is it a good time right now? Because obviously over the last 1 year, momentum as a factor, as a style has drastically underperformed. And you should bet on the horse when it is underperforming.
Yes.
And these two things combined, when the expectation setting of the tenure is out there and when momentum has underperformed, makes it a good bet to get into Samco Small Cap Fund right now. Thanks a lot for that answer. That really helps us.
Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.